Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox the North American version of the C64 mini computer. This is a retro type of game. Goes back to the early 80s, right? This Commodore 64, I believe, was launched in 82. Nice games built in. New firmware brings the capability of adding more games. You can even do some basic programming here. It's not like a basic as easy, but language basic, which was the language built into the original Commodore 64. All you need is gonna be a external keyboard, since this keyboard on the Mini is non-functional. If you want a functional computer and a functional keyboard, get the Maxi version, okay? And I'm gonna talk about that later. But today I and our friend over there, Montezuma, the Techie Axolotl, probably he's sleeping right now. You can see it moves his girls very slowly and no other movement, so he is pretty much sleeping. Alright, so let's talk about this guy here and open it. Let me work on the side here carefully. I know the box unfortunately didn't come perfectly, but it is what it is. It is fully sealed. You can see here the seal, and also the seal over here is good. So I will open. I like to open from this side. I'm gonna cut the seal. Done. Oh, actually, this one actually slides. It's a little different than the European version, so I actually have to cut both sides, right? Yeah, because it will slide out top layer here. That's what I'm guessing. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm not. Yeah, no. Let's see. Yeah. So you have to cut the four edges then. Holy moly, okay? Comes fully sealed on the sides, so let me be careful to open it. I don't want it to damage the box much. Hold on a second. Don't want it to. Okay, come on. All right, done. And next side here. Yeah, let's do that again. Again, trying to be careful, so take some time. Prefer to go slow and make sure I don't, damage the box or anything. Good. All right, so now I got it, and you can see this one's lead out, right? And I got now the internal box, which again, it's sealed, so it's double boxed, pretty interesting. So let's pick one side to open this guy. So we'll open from the side over here, and let's see if there is a seal there again. Yes, there is. So probably need to cut very carefully the side over here. Okay. Let's see if it was enough or not. Yeah, it was. So yeah, I was able now to take this out, and we should be able to open it like this. Okay, cool. Let me move the focus a little bit back so you can see a little bit more of what I'm doing here. Okay. Now got yeah, I'm trying to be careful to not damage the box. This is almost a collector item, so people are really careful how to open it and how to make this thing, keep the box as pristine as possible. One guy is coming down. Probably is still stuck in the. Aha! got it. Okay, so the second box is up. Now there is a third box. It's really well packed. You see that they cannot use the Commodore 64, so this is a new brand, DC64, right? Mini. So that's how this company is doing with the new versions. Wow, look at that. It's really like a Commodore. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at that. Now, it's small, okay? This is the mini version, so let me make sure I take this protection off. I don't want it to make this wrong, so see how it is and how tiny it is, right? You know, this is my hand over here, okay? It's really tiny. Comes with two USB ports on this end, one HDMI port, so it's a 720p HD, right? Not 1080 but 720, and a power, which is a normal micro USB port. So very different than the original one in terms. Again, the keyboard is non-functional. You have to play with the USB keyboard. Okay. Comes with let's see what else comes in this box here. So you can see how it's spec'd. It has a joystick, like you're seeing there. Comes with a little HDMI cable, right? It's not a long cable, people are complaining a bit, but it's a cable. Comes with the charge cable. And this is the hookup to the joystick over here. And the user's guide, which again, it's not even close to the type of user's guide that you see or saw on the early 80s, but it can get can get you in the air very quickly. I mean, can get you up and running pretty quickly with that. Okay, so that's the Mini, and I'm very happy I was able to get one. I will play with that and update the firmware. There is a new firmware for sure, and I'll have a review later on. But if you are a Commodore fan, if you had your 80s, this was your first computer, you recall those nice low resolution games and you still like them, this is an easy and cheap way to go and really go back in time a little bit. Like I said, there is a Maxi version, and the Maxi version has a functional keyboard, and that's a full-size Commodore 64 or VIC-20 type of emulation. So the box is exactly the same, and the circuitry inside is again playing both modes, VIC-20 and the Commodore 64, the C64 type of basic and games. So if you like this, you want to see more, please subscribe to this channel, okay? I need more subscribers. Tell your friends, tell your co-workers, your family, I need more subscribers, please. And also, please don't forget to click on the bell that you see on the screen, so you're gonna have some notification when there is a new video uploaded. Come back. So Montezuma and I, we're more than happy to review things. Put your comments in there. If I have the means to put my hands on the device, I will. Mont and I are very happy you had some time to stop by today. And please do so more often. Sign up and put your comments on those fields. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions I might be able to, or route you to the proper channels. There's lots of other reviews of this device. I'm just doing my own opinion on that. My own, see, even to open it was a surprise how it comes. So this is a really unboxing. It's not like a boxed and unboxing for the video. What I do is really opening things at the same time I'm recording. So there are some hiccups sometimes, but sometimes it goes smooth like this one. So thanks again. See you next time. Bye-bye.